Today I am cooking a simple and delicious braised chicken feet with soy sauce. It is high in collagen and an excellent source of calcium. Although it may not be for everyone, this recipe is for 4 to 6 servings. The ingredients needed are 800 grams of pre-fried chicken feet. They are commonly sold in morning markets, supermarkets, as well as online. 1.3 liters of water, 70 grams of garlic crushed, 100 grams of ginger cut into 1-inch cube and smashed, 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce. This is a less salty type. If using salty type, reduce it to 2 tablespoons. 4 to 5 stalks of spring onions, wash and clean. Half teaspoon of 5 spice powder, half teaspoon of pepper, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1.5 tablespoon of thick soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing wine or Chinese cooking rice wine, and half teaspoon of sesame oil. The full list of the ingredients and the measurements are in the show more link. Tie 2 to 3 stalks of spring onion into a knot so they can easily fit into the pot. Try not to pull hard as they can break easily. Alright, it is done. Leave it aside. Next, soak the chicken feet in hot water. In a large heat-resistant basin, pour all the hot water over the chicken feet. Arrange the chicken feet so that they can fit nicely. Add on more hot water until most of them are submerged. Cover the basin and let it soak for about 3 to 4 minutes. Next, cook the garlic and ginger. Switch on the heat, add in cooking oil. When all the oil is hot, add in the garlic, add all the ginger. Stir fry both ingredients for about 2 to 3 minutes or until garlic and ginger release their aroma. Leave ginger and garlic to simmer in the pan for a while. After about 4 minutes, the chicken feet are ready. Drain off the hot water and rinse for a couple of times and leave it aside. Back to the ginger and garlic. They are almost done. There is a lovely aroma as well. Add in all chicken feet. Stir to combine for about 1 minute. Add in 800 ml of water, light soy sauce, thick soy sauce, sugar, sesame oil, pepper, 5 spice powder, and Shaoxing wine. Mix until well combined. Add in 2 bundles of spring onions. Cover the wok and bring it to boil. After 8 minutes, the gravy is boiling vigorously. Stir to ensure the chicken feet are submerged in the gravy. Reduce the heat to medium-low and set the time for 1 hour. In between, come back and stir to prevent burning at the bottom of the pan. After 1 hour, open the lid, give it a stir. See, the gravy has reduced so much. It is almost dry, but chicken feet are still tough. Braise the chicken feet until they are very soft and are almost falling off the bone. Continue braising the chicken feet. Add in 500 ml of water to prevent the gravy from drying up completely. Stir to mix well. Raise the heat to medium-high and set the timer to another 30 minutes. Cover the pot and continue to braise it. After 30 minutes, the gravy has reduced once again. This time, the chicken feet look really soft. Let's check on the feet. Oh wow, it's really soft. Now I can taste it. Yes, delicious, and it is very flavorful. At this stage, more seasoning can be added as preferred, but for this, it is really perfect. Switch off the heat and we are done. This braised chicken feet can be enjoyed immediately and it will also be good to keep it for the next day. Now I can dish out and serve. Sprinkle some cut spring onion for garnishing. Let's eat! Wow, the chicken feet really melt in the mouth. It is so tasty and delicious. If you are a fan of chicken feet, I really recommend trying this. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye bye!